Hi everyone. This week we're going to take another aspect of a balanced literacy framework to analyze. What we're going to look at this week is the Writer's Workshop. In this teaching model, students of all ages are involved in true writing right from the beginning, while the teacher is able to provide differentiated and on-target instruction to individuals and small groups. Typically in Writer's Workshop, you begin with a mini lesson. So the teacher is doing a 3 to 5 minute mini lesson on some aspect of writing. Then the students move to independent writing, and the teacher is conferencing with students. At the end of Writer's Workshop, you pull everyone back together and you have a sharing time of new learning or work that you want to spotlight for your classroom. This week we are going to take a look at some videos on Writer's Workshop. The first video is a day in the life of our writing workshop, and this is a first grade teacher's view of Writing Workshop. You are asked to read the introduction and chapter 4 of Katie Woodray's book about the authors. And you can click here to get that. Chapter 4 is titled How Our Youngest Writers Use the Writing Process to Help Them Make Books. And Katie Woodray, along with Lucy Calkins, are the gurus of Writing Workshop. Here is an example of Writing Workshop, and I want you to consider the routines that the teacher has set in place to make this a productive time in her classroom. Notice the type and level of questioning that the teacher uses to guide her students. What is she intentionally drawing her students' attention to during this Writer's Workshop session? Also, I want to mention, not all students will take your mini lesson topic and incorporate that into their independent writing for that day. And that's okay. Grades 3 through 6. Again, review the works of Katie Woodray and Lucy Calkins. Here are some videos about bridging Reader's Workshop to Writer's Workshop. Stacy Brewer is a 5th grade English teacher in Bellevue, Washington. These are amazing videos of how she has Writer's Workshop going in her diverse classroom. So all you have to do is click. Please try and answer these questions or be aware of these things as you view each video. Here's the second video, the third video, and the fourth video. So by the end of week 7, you will be able to analyze one piece of student writing for strengths, weaknesses, and future teaching points. Okay. You also need to read the article Reading with a Writer's Eye, Why Book Choice Matters. This is where your interactive read aloud ties in with Writer's Workshop. You're also going to read Supporting Young Writers with Award-Winning Books. This article goes in to talk about how important mentor texts are and sharing those with your students so they are aware of different genres of writing and what a writer actually does. Your discussion forum for this week. Using the writing sample for your grade band, analyze the following questions. Now, these writing samples are here. K2, you're looking at Lane's writing. 3 through 6, you're looking at a writing sample from the Common Core State Standards of English Language Arts. However, if you are also in 3041, which is the lab portion of this, you may analyze your student's writing sample. You will need to upload the writing sample with your post and address these questions in your post. You only need to respond to one other person this week. Be sure to cite additional resources. I know this says to respond substantially to 2 other students. But up here I had put 1 learner and I neglected to change it here. So you only need to respond to 1 person this week. 1 person. If you have questions, please ask me. Thank you.